Hello, I'm Ellen McShane, and I'm very pleased to be here with you today to explain to you how you can earn more with Nexus Snap. It will truly offer you passive income and residual income. And so I hope you'll stay with me throughout this entire video so I can explain to you why I'm so excited to welcome you to the world's most lucrative $10 program. So welcome to Nexus Snap. As an earnings disclaimer, we make every effort to ensure that we accurately represent all the Nexus Rewards products and services and their potential for income. Any earnings and income statements made by Nexus Rewards and its members are estimates only of what we think you can possibly earn. There's no guarantee that you will make these levels of income. As with any business, your results may vary. The use of your information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, and you agree that Nexus Rewards, its members, and the sponsors of this website are not liable for any success or failure of your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our products and services. So if you could invest $40 in the bank one time for life, and then invest another $10 each month, and start earning an income on that investment in as little as 3 months, and eventually make $2,460 per month every month, would you make that minimal investment? I don't know about you, but my answer is heck yes. And today I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $2,460 per month without ever enrolling a single person or selling a single product. If you've been following the latest trends in the networking industry, you probably know this is the way the hottest opportunities are going. What is Nexus Snap? It's the ultimate cashback savings and referral program. It's the world's most lucrative $10 program. There has never been an opportunity that costs so little and pays so much. There are 7 ways you can make money. Number 1, make money by saving money. Earn unlimited cash back at 3,500 plus stores. Get exclusive discounts with over 700,000 of the world's best brands. Save money and get cash back with our apps: gas, groceries, dining, travel, clothing, and much more. Save money through our exclusive membership portal on things like home insurance, car insurance, dental insurance, health insurance, utility bills, senior care services, identity theft protection, credit repair, student loan financing. Save up to 90% off prescriptions. Why pay more? Saving money is the same as making money. Jim Packard is saving $120 per month on his cable and internet bill. Amy and Steve Byram are saving $50 per month on their cell phone bill, $20 a month on their internet service, and $3 a month on their exterminator invoice. Otis Brown is saving over $1,700 a year on his auto insurance, and Gloria McDonald has gotten over $540 cash back on online shopping that she was doing anyway. So number 2, fast start bonus. Earn by sharing. Earn $25 on your paid referrals and earn $5 on their referrals. All these commissions are paid weekly. Number 3, weekly unilevel earnings. So with the weekly fast start commissions, when you refer someone to Nexus and they become a member for $49.95, you'll earn a $25 or 50% commission paid out the following week. With 2 personally sponsored people, you qualify to earn $5 or 10% on your level 2. With 5 personally sponsored people, you become a pro and qualify to earn 1% on your 3rd level. Also, as a pro, you're qualified to earn breakage commissions. This means if any of your referrals are not qualified to earn on their 2nd level because they do not have 2 people, the $5 level 2 commissions will roll up to you. Number 4, make money totally passively with the 3x10 forced matrix. So here you have your sponsor, then you and the 3 people you bring in, and then they bring in 3 people. And you're paid on $9.95 per month subscription. So if you have personally enrolled no one, 0 enrolled, you're paid on 8 levels up to $2,460 per month. 1 personally enrolled person gets you paid on 9 levels up to $7,380 per month. And if you have 5 personally enrolled, you get paid at 10 levels up to $22,143. There's also a matching matrix check available on all your personal referrals, up to 100% matching checks based on the rank that you achieve. Number 5, matrix check match earnings. In addition to the substantial earnings of up to $2,460 or even up to $22,143 a month in your own personal matrix, you can also receive a check match on the matrix commissions of everyone you enroll. With just 5 enrollees, you will receive a 50% check match on your personal referrals. As a 1-star, you will receive a 75% check match on your personal referrals. And as a diamond, you'll receive a 100% check match on all your personal referrals. Imagine you personally enrolled 10 referrals, and each of them is earning $5,000 per month in their matrix. With our 100% check matching bonus, you'll earn a $5,000 bonus on each of them every month. That's a total of $50,000 in commissions just from those 10 people alone. Number 6, the coded infinity bonus. You earn $2 a month on everyone coded to you. 2 of your first 5 signups randomly get coded to your sponsor. Everyone else you ever sponsor is coded to you. So on that first level, you're earning 3 times $2. Everyone that's coded to you will randomly code 2 of their first 5 members to you. And because they are coded to you, you earn a $2 a month coded bonus. So that's 6 times $2. And because they're now coded to you, they will randomly code 2 more new members to you. And so the next level is 12 times $2, and it goes on to infinity. Just imagine earning $2 for every person that is in your coded infinity bonus pool. And it extends out as wide as you want so that you can also have a 30 or 50 or 100 coded pay legs. Now, number 7 is the diamond bonus pools. Once you reach the prestigious rank of diamond or above, you will begin to share in monthly bonus pools that consist of 2% of the commissionable volume of all new members that joined in that month. As you continue to advance in rank, you can earn in multiple bonus pools. Naturally, the higher the rank, the more exclusive the membership and the higher the payout. If you want to be involved in a company that's helping change the paradigm of how network marketing works, that has unlimited income potential, where 100% of affiliates make money, you can earn up to $2,460 per month without selling or recruiting, and there's no expensive monthly auto ship. In fact, there's no product to sell, period. There are only ways for people to save money. An opportunity that's a total no-brainer. Then Nexus Snap is for you. And when you sign up, you get bonuses. To get started making money right away, we're going to give you bonus number 1, access to Gloria McDonald's 100% rejection-free recruiting training for LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. If you can copy and paste, you can build your business. Bonus number 2, completely done for you funnels for your Nexus Snap business to increase interest and totally automate the follow-up process. Bonus number 3, free training on how to use LinkedIn to build your Nexus Snap business, including how to target people who are looking for opportunities. Bonus number 4, a variety of LinkedIn banners made for you to choose from. Bonus number 5, copy and paste messaging to use on LinkedIn and Facebook. And bonus number 6, special interactive team training Zoom calls every Monday, plus access to a weekly 100% rejection-free recruiting Q&A Zoom calls on every Friday. Get back to the person who invited you to do this session to sign up with them. Or you can sign up with me at the link connected to this video in the description or at mynexusrewards.com, McShane. I so look forward to having you be part of my team and to work with you to have you understand why Nexus Snap is the most lucrative program around for $10 a month. And it will be a joy to have you be part of our community where we support each other to build our businesses and to become understanding of all the opportunities that we have before us. So I look forward to working with you, and have a wonderful day.